a long and cold winter, spring decided to flirt with us as temperatures jumped into the 70s. Taking advantage of this warmth, we decided to head over to Nubble Lighthouse for an early season dive. Normally, the cold winter waters bring about better visibility, but not today. The cold 37-degree water also gave us a chance to test out the new Kubi dry glove system we installed this winter. Having persistent circulation issues in the cold, finding the right gloves for New England diving is always a struggle. After 10 minutes, my fingers were very cold, and by the time I exited the water, my thumbs were pretty numb. On the next dive, we will try a different pair of undergloves, hoping that makes a difference. In the fall of 1999, a close friend, Larry Bodish, passed away on a deep dive off the coast of Maine. We always try to stop by his plaque at the end of a Nubble Lighthouse dive to say hello to our old friend.